morning we are just outside of Mangpyeon. We've just packed up. Bikes are ready to go. All ready to go.
It's got our bag of rubbish.
This has been a great stay.
Good morning, everybody. This morning we are heading off from our little campsites in the riverside bungalow. And we hope that all who pass leave the place neat and tidy like they found it. We're currently riding alongside the Nakdonggang River, heading to Sangju. I think that's how you say it. We had an invite to an old fella's breakfast or house this morning for breakfast, but we declined as graciously as we could. He wasn't saying taking no there for a while, but it was going to take us quite a while to pack up, as he arrived fairly early. And he did get tired of waiting around after a while, and he said see you later. But it was nice of him to offer. So we are travelling along the Nakdonggang River. It's quite a broad river, not as heavily weird as some of the ones on the other side of the range. It has a 1 metre weir every kilometre or so, and this area seems to be mostly spring onions again, but potatoes as well. So here we have it. The Nakdonggang River meets the Nakdonggang River. Becomes a big river just here. Slims down a bit later. And we are halfway. Well, we are thinking there's a certification box just here, because the actual path name changes. Well, it should be just here somewhere. Anyway, we will let you know. Anything to say?
Today is a lovely cool day.
Cool, it's freezing.
Well, you're wearing shorts, I suppose. But yesterday was very hot, climbing the mountain. So, no, I'm happy for this cool day. Lovely, it's cruising along.
Yes.
To the next river we go.
It's slippery, this one. It's slippery. So we have discovered that here's the next sign. What's it going to be? 2 kilometres to the certification centre. Oh, only 1 kilometre. I must have been going fast enough for all this. I'm looking forward to getting out of this seat already today. And it's only been 30 kilometres. Speed up. Speed up, speed up. Speed up. Steep one. Didn't make it. It's super steep. I might wait for Cecilia. She won't make it up this one. God bless her. Here she comes. Get a run up. You'll change right down. Yeah, I didn't make it either. The last bit is so steep, just stops you in your tracks. Almost looks like 45 degrees, but I'd probably say 60. No, not 60, 30. 60 steeper. Okay, and short run before you get to the rest stop. There's lots of little huts along this last 40 kilometre section. Great spots to camp. 50 metres just in here. Here we are. I don't know what number this one is. Hello. We have the other side of the Nakdonggang River. We decided to take the secondary option path to Sangju from the last certification centre, which was the end of the Nakdonggang River. Because we had heard that there is a very steep hill on the other side, so we'll wait and see what crops up. I just missed them, I think. I had 2 little deer running beside me. Oh, there she goes, over there. She must have diverted. I couldn't get the wet cover off the GoPro quick enough. It appears that our decision was a good one. The flat side of the river just took us to the next bridge, which is exactly where the bicycle museum is. So we are going to visit that today, I think, and decide our next move from there.
Push it! Push it!
Got it.
Push it! Well done. On this bridge, across the bridge, there's the bicycle museum, and they've got all these beautiful bicycles along the bridge.
Bridge, all stainless steel push bike riders on the balustrading. I'm ready for second breakfast. There's a cafe here. We're just crossing the bridge to go to the certification centre, just outside of Sangju, and we're a bit confused with all the maps because we actually thought it was in Sangju, but it doesn't appear to be. Because it's raining and miserable, we're looking for a place to stay, and there's not much on this side of the river. It's all in Sangju. There it is. There was a free campsite just behind us on the opposite side of the river, but we didn't really want to set up and hang out in the rain. You too. Well, it looks like we're at the uphills again. Only small, but enough to be annoying on a rainy day. I just found this, what looks like a lovely couple's burial ground. Just cleared there, comfortably sitting in their garden. Wow. 11 kilometres to go till we hopefully find a dry place to stay. This would be a beautiful ride without the rain. I found one more hill, about 500 or 600 metres long, I think. I'm halfway. It's 7%. Just don't seem to have it in me today. Pulled up underneath this little hut on the side of the road. Tell you what, if we had some food on us, this would be it for me for today. But we're completely out of food. Got one packet of chips. Haven't got any beer. Here she comes. That foot power.
So we've just arrived at our motel. It's been raining all afternoon. We thought we'd just push through, and we saw this motel on the map, and it was only 20 kilometers away, so we thought, oh yeah, it'll be all right. But there were so many inclines, so it took us quite a while. Yeah, just have a look. We're all soaked through, but very happy to be here.
Come on, let's go and see what it's like up here. Oh, thank you very much. And this lovely man's giving us an umbrella to go down to the restaurant tonight. A nice little table and chairs. Oh, this is pretty good.
I'd name this Blue Motel. Got a lovely bathtub with a nice picture on the wall. So we ordered some stir-fried meat at this little restaurant. And we got all these dishes. And this looks really nice. I hope it's not too spicy. And we have some rice in here. A little bit of soup. And this looks like fish. And some sort of seaweed. I'm not sure what this is. Some spinach. Looks like a bit of an egg roll of some sort.
Oh, that's spicy.
The lotus fruit. And this must be a pickled vegetable or something, and some greens.
Oh,
Bon appetit.